Hello, this is lesson 3 in the restaurant. This lesson, after students learn this lesson, they should know about to talk about their likes and dislikes. When they see the food, they can express what they like and what they don't like. So they need to understand how to use I like blah blah blah, I don't like blah blah blah. And for the vocabularies, the students need to know the basic food vocabularies and also the numbers, the colors. So when you teach the kids just to talk about these things during your whole lesson, just remember this. Always ask about their likes and dislikes. Always ask about the colors and sometimes the numbers. Now we go to the first step. The first step is to greet with the kids. Say hello, how are you? And you can also ask how old are you? And then teach the kids to read the vocabularies and the sentences. In this part, what you need to pay attention is to correct the pronunciation of the kids. There are kids, they know these words, but their pronunciations are not very good. So once you know that they are speaking or talking it in a wrong way, you have to remember to always correct them, show them that they're wrong, and you show them the right pronunciation. Okay, this is the part you need to pay attention. And after you teach the vocabularies, don't go to the next step immediately because we are standing in front of the restaurant and there are buildings as well. Maybe you can ask students to look around, tell them we are in front of the restaurant and I can see the buildings. You can use your body language to show like the tall buildings and you can point. The students count the buildings. How many buildings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 buildings. Just to describe the whole surroundings to the kids, and then tell the kids now. Let's go into a restaurant. Let's see what. Maybe there are many things we will know and you can also ask students to count to 20 or to 10. So the door opens and then we will go. This is the first step. Now we will go to the second step. We will be inside the restaurant. Next step.
Hello! It is going to be fun today. We will go to the farm restaurant and be the restaurant boss.
Now students count to 10 and then here we are. Now this is the second step. We are in the restaurant and the students will do again, but don't let the students do it immediately. The kids are very active. Most of them, generally everyone, will use their air mouths to start to touch the things. Once you know they are moving with their hands, you have to tell them immediately, stop, stay, stop. Okay, first describe. What can you see? I see an apple. What can you see? If the student answers, for example, I can see a banana. So you have to keep asking more questions about this banana. You can ask, what color is the banana? Is it a small banana or is it a big banana? And do you like bananas? Let the students answer in a complete sentence. Remember, not just yes or no. If the students ask yes, you have to show them, you have to answer it in a complete sentence. Like, do you like bananas? Yes, I like bananas. And you can repeat the question. Okay? And also then you can instruct them to, can you see the oranges? The students say yes, no. Yes, I see the orange. And you can keep asking the questions about oranges. Do you like the oranges? Or what color is the oranges? Is it a big orange or a small orange? Like this. After the small talk, now you can instruct the students to use their air mouths and put the food on its words. Now let's put the apples on the apple word. Apple. See the word? Put apple on the word apple. Put orange on the words orange. Put the banana on the word banana. Okay, don't go to the next immediately. After students finish them, you have to ask a few questions like, I like apples. What do you like? The students need to answer what they like, and also they need to talk about the dislikes. Like, I like apples, I don't like bananas, I like oranges. Make sure they talk about their likes and dislikes, and then you go to the next step. Now it's going to be round 2. The beginning of round 2 is the same as the round 1. First, to talk. What can you see? Can you see the oranges? Is it can you see the juice? Is it a big bottle or small bottle? Do you like orange juice? Like this. Can you see the water? What color is the water? Is it a big bottle or is it a small bottle? Do you like water? Or even you can ask, what do you like? Like this. After that, instruct the students to put the food on its words. Remember, while you start the small talk with the kids start to move their hands, you have to tell them stop immediately. Stop. And then talk, and then instruct them to put the food on the words. After they finish everything, talk about their likes and dislikes. Then you can go to the next. Now we will go to the round 3. The same. First, what can you see? Can you see the chocolate? What color is the chocolate? Is it big? Is it small? Do you like chocolate? Ask each of them. After that, instruct the students to put the food on its words. When they finish putting the food on the words, don't go to the next. Let the student to describe what they like and what they don't like. After that, we will go to the next.
Well done! You did an amazing job. There are some dirty tables in the restaurant. Can you help to clean the tables?
Now, this is step 3 to clean the tables. Some of the kids, they don't understand what is clean and what is dirty. I know it's difficult for you to see which tables are clean, which tables are dirty, but at least you can see several tables and you can tell them which table is clean, which table is dirty, so they will understand. Before that, let's instruct the students to count the tables. Ask questions like, can you see the tables? What color are the tables? How many tables? How many chairs? What colors are the chairs? Like this. After that, this is first round. So can you tell me which tables are clean? Make sure the students answer you in a complete sentence. Like, for example, which tables are clean? Is table 1 clean? The students will answer yes or no. Correct them. You have to answer like table 1 is clean or table 1 is dirty. Show them the optional answers so they will know. And then after that, okay, now you know the tables are clean, tables are dirty. Now tell them you can use it to clean it. So clean table 1. Table 2 is dirty, clean table 2. Table 3 is dirty, clean table 3. Table 4 is dirty, clean table 4. So look at the tables. They are clean. How many clean tables? The students will count again. And then you can ask, how many dirty tables? 0. All the tables are clean. After that, go to the next round. Next round is the same. Now, after students, can you tell me how many dirty tables? How many clean tables? Which tables are dirty? Which tables are clean? Is table 1 dirty? Is table 4 dirty or clean? Questions like this. If the student is moving with their hand, tell them stop. Make sure they use their air mouths when you need them to do. If they are using this while you don't want them to do that, you have to tell them immediately, stop. Don't use your hand. Stop. Okay? So after those questions, you tell them, okay, now you can clean the tables. Table 7 is dirty, clean table 7. Table 3 is dirty, clean table 3. Table 4 is dirty, clean table 4. Like the same. When it's finished, the same. I know it's silly questions. Make it funny, like how many clean tables? How many dirty tables? Questions like this. After that, the next round is the same. Just make sure the student don't move around. If they are doing this when you don't want them to do, tell them to stop. Stop. Pay attention to you. Look at you, and then instruct them to look at other stuffs. Okay. And these are the two. When this finishes, I know sometimes this game goes so fast, and the time there's still time, you feel like it's so difficult. So you will restart the lesson from the beginning. This is not necessary. What you can do is like when the first game, the students start to prepare the food, put the food on its words, you can, when that game finishes, you can restart that part. So let the students in when the student doing it again, tell them to do it on their own. But remember to tell them to remind them to speak. And also clean the table again. It's the same. Like when it's finished, tell that you can restart it and let the students to describe like which table clean. Let them do it on their own. And then when this, you can play both of the game twice, but don't do it at the end. Do it when that game finishes. Restart that game. Okay? And this whole lesson is finished. The last part is to review. You will see the UI window. It's same about the words. And if there's still time, you teach them to read, correct their pronunciation, and you can start to do a little bit activities. There are 2 activities I can suggest. The first is to play high-low voice. I saw some teachers are doing it. And you can make it more interesting. If the kids are say like usually the teacher will do like cake in low voice, cake, and the students will do the same, cake. But you instruct them, I see cake, you do cake. If I see juice, you have to see juice. So it's like high, low voice, both. Like teacher says loud and student have to say it in low voice. If the teacher say it low voice, the teacher do it in high voice. And the second activity I suggest is a guessing game. What the guessing game is like, because there's UI window, there are words. So and there are kids, their English is very good. So you can just describe the thing and let the students guess what is it. For example, it is yellow. It is long. It is very yummy. What is it? Or it is red. It is round. What is it? It is blue. It is in small bottle. What is it? So like try to construct a picture. Put that picture in the student's mind. Let them to guess. And also, if the student is really, really very good, you can also ask the student to describe and let you guess. Okay, these are the two games I suggest at the end of the class. But also you can do it at the beginning, the preview part as well. Thank you.